In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset and restore your Apple iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, performing a factory reset on your iPad completely wipes its internal storage drive, securely deletes your personal account data, and restores the entire operating system layout back to factory baseline conditions. So what you can do if you're able to, like let's say if you're able to log in some sort of way, then what we want to do is go over to our settings and then go over and click your name at the very top, then click on iCloud. Ensure iCloud backup is turned on. And if you're not able to, go into your iPad, well then hopefully you have your iPad that was like, your iPad previously backed up. So hopefully that was on before you got locked out of it. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your general and then go over and swipe down, and you're going to see transfer or reset iPad. Now we're going to see reset, but we're also going to see erase all content and settings. So if you go ahead and click on that, it's going to show everything that it's going to basically erase. The screen will display a summary layout of all data blocks, then enter your iPad's lock screen, and then enter your iPad password, and then you're going to be able to erase your iPad completely. Now, if you forgot the passcode, it's going to be slightly different because, of course, if you forgot the passcode, you're not going to be able to get to all of these different screens. So the method for that is going to also be different as well. But what you want to do, the security system locks the storage drive to protect your privacy. So if your iPad is updated to a modern version of OS and has an active Wi-Fi connection, you can actually wipe it directly from the lock screen. So what you're going to do is purposely enter the wrong password repeatedly on the lock screen until you see iPad unavailable or security lockout, and then look at the bottom corner of the display and tap forgot passcode or erase iPad. Then tap start iPad reset to confirm that you want to wipe the local partition, and then you're going to enter your Apple account password, which is different from your PIN, and that's going to verify your identity and disable the activation lock. Then tap erase iPad one final time, and the device will completely clear the forgotten passcode and reboot to the factory Hello setup layout. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.